Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Foot pursuit.
On December 1st, 2023, at a gas station on Bear Valley Road in Victorville, San Bernardino County, California, a man named Jorge Cardenas, age 27, armed with a handgun, threatened a woman inside the convenience store restroom. The woman locked herself in and asked clerks to call 911.
Hello.
911, what is the address of your emergency? It is 13660 Bear Valley Road. Is that a business or? Hello?
It's a business. It's a business now.
Okay, what's the name of the business?
The AMPM on Bear Valley and Amethyst.
Okay, do you need police or paramedics?
No, I need the police. I have a customer that went inside the restroom and she says that she's with the guy. The guy's outside in a silver Altima and he is threatening her and he has a gun.
About 6 minutes later, a San Bernardino County Sheriff's Sergeant arrived in a patrol vehicle parked behind Cardenas's silver Nissan Altima and approached him. Cardenas refused to comply, ran into the store, drew his weapon, and opened fire on the sergeant. The sergeant, later identified as Shane Anderson, with 18 years of service, was shot 5 times, leg, shin, calf, bottom of foot. A round passed through his taser and hit his vest. Despite his injuries, the sergeant calmly radioed for help, reloaded his weapon while down on the ground, and remained engaged. When Cardenas exited, the wounded sergeant returned fire, ultimately killing him. A spent magazine was dropped mid-reload just before returning fire.
Sam 5. That's a firm.
Sorry, you hit?
Yeah, I'm hitting the leg. I don't know where else.
19.5, we have deputy hit. I'm gonna cover him up, keep lethal.
Copy.
Anybody else inside?
This is the only suspect.
Here, take the gun. Holster, shield, holster. Over there! Where you hit? This leg, I don't know where else.
The sergeant was airlifted by life flight to a hospital where he recovered. Cardenas was pronounced dead at the scene. No other injuries were reported. The San Bernardino County Sheriff awarded Sergeant Anderson the Medal of Valor and confirmed that since 2021, there had been 75 deputy-involved shootings in the county.